My name's Kev, welcome to Keco. We're going to do a review today on our new wedge. What's unique about this wedge? Well, there's quite a few things on here. Slight radius on the back here, so the wedge is designed to go that way down the glass. So that radius keeps the top edge of the glass, the bit that's likely to crack, keeps the wedge away from that. Have some holes in here just to make it a little bit lightweight, so nothing too, too taxing about that. This top hole, get your finger in there, so obviously put the wedge in and out, draw it out quite nicely. Along this edge, you have these raised bumps. These are about every inch. In fact, they are every inch, and they're different thicknesses. So we go up quite thick here. If you notice, when we get up to the top here, the ledge becomes a little bit straighter. This was designed for when we're going up inside an arch liner. So we can pop back in there, slide that up the arch liner, and it's not going to pop out, very easily. It's nothing worse than when you're working away and your wedge keeps dropping out. So that's what that was for. And then the rest of them are slight gradients for going down into the tops of your doors, so you can grab scraper molding, or if you've got the scraper molding off, catch that top ledge of the door. Slightly thicker at the end here, because if you're anything like me, your window wedge also becomes a pry tool, lever tool, scraper molding tool, side molding tool, all that sort of thing. So this has been designed, thickened up a little bit, just so if we are using it to lever or pry anything off, it's not going to chew up quite as quickly. It's not saying it's not going to chew up, just not quite as quickly as a thinner tip on there. Really, really nice wedge. Something that's is perfect to me. Hopefully it'll be very, very good for you guys out there. But tool that's designed by a PDR tech for a PDR tech. So hopefully you'll find this useful, and I hope to see it in many videos.